Hey everybody, my name is Kevin Keane over at Keane Automall, the owner here. Just doing this little walkthrough video. We had some inquiries on this 2009 Hyundai Elantra. Let me show you the car. So it's the 09 Elantra, GLS. Couple dings on the back. But what we always specialize in is always going to be the mechanical concerns of the customers. So we have a new timing belt, water pump, transmission's been serviced, full synthetic oil change, check for tires passed a safety check. Ice cold AC, we did change out an AC compressor. There's no leaks. AC is ice cold. We can go ahead and turn it on. Just doing a couple walkthrough videos. I know we're getting some internet shoppers again from out of state or just in Florida that are further out, and just kind of wanted to do a little walkthrough video on the car. Good miles per gallon. It's a 4-cylinder. Interior's clean. We haven't done a full detail yet, but the year for a 2009, you have 220 miles on the clock. Interior, if you steam the car, believe it or not, the seats are pretty clean. Just needs a little bit of TLC. Nothing that, good detail can't get out of the car. Same thing with the headliner. And that's pretty much it. I mean, that's our little walkthrough of the car. Quick, short video. Sometimes it helps us sell the cars a little bit quicker. We'll start doing the videos again. We did put a new set of headlights on it. It makes the car look sharp, makes the car look brand new. We offer finance, we offer buy here, pay here. We'll help you out if you're paying cash for the car. Get a good car for your kid. Great fuel economy. Get it inspected at a local Hyundai dealership. They'll tell you it's mechanically sound, minus some scratches. But for the price, I think we did pretty good on this one. Again, my name is Kevin Keane, owner of Keane Automall in Pompano Beach. Please give us a call, 954-532-9699 if you're interested in a 2009 Hyundai Elantra. Thank you.